Welcome to this tutorial on how to invest in the S&P 500 through Fidelity. First, you need to have a Fidelity account. If you do not already have one, visit their website and follow the prompts to create an account. After you set up your account, log in and you will be taken to your dashboard. Next, you will want to navigate to the investment options. Look for the section labeled Markets or Investing. From there, you can search for the S&P 500. You can find it listed as an individual stock or as an exchange-traded fund, also known as an ETF. Two popular options include the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust and the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Once you have chosen your investment vehicle, click on it to access its details page. Here, you will see relevant information such as performance history and expense ratios. To proceed with your investment, select the Buy option, then enter the amount you wish to invest. Review the order details carefully before confirming your purchase. Finally, after placing your order, monitor your investment regularly by checking Fidelity's platform. They provide various tools to track your portfolio's performance. Remember to keep informed about market trends and consider your long-term investment strategy. Happy investing!